So if I ask you to pick one stock from automobile sector which you think is the best investment right now, and I'm talking about pure automobile, not auto ancillary stock, so what will be your answer? Will it be Tata Motors? Will it be Ashok Leyland? Will it be Ola? Or will it be Olectra Greentech? Well, whatever it might be, I would say there is a stock which you might not have heard of, or even if you have heard, you never might have thought of investing in it, and that is Force Motors. Why is that? I'm going to discuss in this video why this stock is actually a good investment that you can consider. Okay, so I'm going to discuss the fundamentals, then I will discuss one news article which is really important for this stock and which you need to see before investing, and then we'll move towards the price section. Okay, so please stay with me till the end. This is going to be a very informative video. Okay, so before we proceed, just a reminder that this is not a stock recommendation video. This is just an educational video to help you make better decisions in terms of investing and trading, right? So let's get started. Okay, hello everyone, and this is the screener page of Force Motors. So before that, just a glimpse at the official website. You can see this is the official website, and like always I will share the link of both this official website and the screener page in the description section. Okay, now coming to some of the key points about this vehicle. Okay, you can see this company was established in 1958, so it's a very old company. Then we can see some of the important things here. The company is into development and manufacture of automotive components and vehicles. Its range products include light commercial vehicles, multi-utility vehicles, and small commercial vehicles. Okay, now here you can see one important thing in the collaboration section. Force Motors has partnered with global automotive names like Daimler, and then BMW, Rolls-Royce, ZF, Bose. Then it produces engines and axles for Mercedes-Benz India and BMW India. Till date, the company has supplied over 1.1 lakh. This is 1,50,000 engines and over 1,40,000 axles for Mercedes-Benz India and 70,000 engines for BMW. So clearly, in terms of business and collaboration, this is looking strong. Okay, now one important thing about this company is that it recently got an order from the defense ministry worth wins order for 2978 Force Gurkha vehicles. Okay, so if you do not know what is Force Gurkha, or you haven't seen a vehicle like that, let me just try to show you Force Gurkha. Okay, 5-door, 3-door, doesn't matter. This is Force Gurkha. So you can say it is the competitor of Mahindra Thar. Everyone must be knowing what Mahindra Thar is, how does it look, and this is this competitor. And you can see it has won an order of around 3,000 vehicles from of Force Gurkha. This company has won from defense ministry, which is really an interesting thing. Okay, now coming to the basic numbers of this company, you can see the current stock price is 12,710. So it's on the higher side. Okay, so do not get panicked by just seeing the higher high share price, because even if the share price is high, I would say it is much better at the moment than Tata Motors or Ola. Okay, why? You will get to see. Okay, the market cap is 16,000 crores, so it is still a mid cap. Okay, reserves 3,000 crore, debt very, very, very small, just 17.43 crore. So in that comparison, just take a look at the debt of Tata Motors. So you will get to know 71,540 crores. Okay, you will say that yes, the company is big. Okay, this has a very big market cap, but still 71,540 crore debt is on the higher side, and you can see the debt to equity ratio is also 0.62. Okay, although it is less than what, but still it is on the higher side. But here you can see just 0.01. I would say that a debt free company is always a safer choice. Okay, then also it is a mid cap company, that means it has a lot of scope for growth. Tata Motors is already it has reached almost its maximum potential. We cannot say maximum potential because obviously there will be increase in sales, but still it has the reach has gone really beyond the limit now. Okay, now coming to the sales growth, 35.56%, 3 years average sales growth. Average profit growth 99.69, same with earning per share, so very fast growing. Return on assets 7.17 and return on capital employed 19.45. This is looking good. Return on assets slightly on the lower side, but here you can see the other companies are also having similar kind of return on assets, so you can consider it safe, and also it has the highest in this list. Okay, now interest coverage ratio 33.61, current ratio 1.50, operating profit margin 13.54, promoter holding 61.63, which is a good thing. Altman Z score 8.38, and it does not have any pledging at all, which is excellent. Now coming to 3 years profit and loss statement, you can see the company saw a massive growth in operating profit here. Okay, from March 2022 to March 2023. Here the sales jumped almost 1800 crore from 3240 to 5059. Operating profit went up from 50 crores to 313 crore, and mainly that is due to increase in operating profit margin. Now the remaining years from 5029 crores to 6992, that means almost 7000 crore here in 2024 and 8072 crore in March 2025. Operating profit 133132, 897, then 1093. Then the operating profit margin also went up from 6% to 13%, then to 14%. Okay, and here earning per share 101.42, 294.54, 607. So clearly there is a massive growth, and earlier it was in loss before 2023. You can see that. Now coming to shareholding pattern. So if we consider last 3 quarters shareholding pattern, we can see that the promoters have kept their stake constant at 61.63%, whereas the FIs have continuously increased their stake 7.89 to 8.15, then 8.36. DIs have also increased their stake 0.922, here it is almost same 0.90, then sudden increase to 1.43, so almost 0.53% increase. Okay, so clearly this stock fundamental wise is giving a very positive outlook. Okay, and I am really impressed with the fundamentals of this automobile stock, because not many automobile stocks actually have this kind of good fundamentals. You can see Ashok Leyland. Okay, here you can see the debt to equity ratio is really bad. Tata Motors, these are well known companies, but still they are struggling with these things. Okay, and also Ashok Leyland has 41.15% pledging. So considering that, Force Motors is actually giving a very good outlook. Now coming to the shareholding, the chart. Okay, so what we are seeing here is a saucer pattern. Okay, so this is not a copy with handle, this is a saucer pattern. Okay, and before that you can see this massive rally that this stock gave from June 2023 to April 2024, or April to May. Okay, this is a massive rally from 1500 to 10,500% return in 336 days. That means in 1 year it gave almost 600% return. If I consider from this point March to this point April, it is around 800% in fact. So that's a massive rally. Okay, and then you can see after this consolidation of more or around 1 year, okay, now finally it has started its next move. It has gone to the next phase, and you can see I have drawn this line around 10,000 rupees, and it did retrace, confirm that this is the support, and then started going up. And you can see in the last few days it has gone up from around 10,300 to 12,649. So that is around 23% increase in 4 days for an automobile company. Okay, that is really good. Now the bottom line, is this a good time to invest in the stocks? Well, I would say after this 4 days rally, it might experience little bit of red candles, and that is a good thing, and that will be a good place to enter. Or it might come down up to this level 11,000. So I would say 12,000 to 11,000 to 12,000. This gap, this phase is a very good level for entering in the stock. But if you are afraid that you might miss this stock and you are okay with entering at a higher price, then you can take some partial entries at the current level as well. But just a reminder that this is not a stock recommendation video, just an educational video. Okay, so So this is the level which you should be looking for, 11,000 to 12,000, but partial entries can be done at the moment as well. So that was my overall opinion on Force Motors. So let me know in the comment section below what you think about this company, and if you know any other company, automobile company, which has such good fundamentals and the price action timing is also looking accurate, then please mention in the comment section and we can discuss. Thank you for watching. I'll meet you in the next video. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Financial Impulse if you have not done already, and if you are already a subscriber and finding my videos valuable, consider joining the Financial Impulse community, where you will get more stock analysis posts, and also you will be able to chat with me one-to-one directly on Discord and ask your queries. Bye. Thank you. Take care.